These OIRHNL 12x50 high-definition binoculars deliver impressively bright, sharp views thanks to fully multi-coated optics and quality Bokeh 4 prisms that perform well in demanding outdoor conditions. The generous field of view and large eyepieces make it easier to track birds and fast-moving wildlife while still providing comfortable, immersive viewing for long sessions. A wide 50mm objective lens and low-light friendly coatings help pull in detail at dawn, dusk, and in shaded forests better than typical compact binoculars. The IPX7 waterproof and fog-resistant construction holds up well in rain and humidity, so you can keep glassing without worrying about internal moisture or fogging. Despite the solid build, these binoculars feel reasonably lightweight in the hand and include a secure grip that makes them practical for travel, hiking, and all-day use. The upgraded smartphone adapter is straightforward to align and holds a phone securely, making it surprisingly easy to capture steady photos and videos through the binoculars.